Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Land Rover Discovery bonnet. First, locate the bonnet release lever inside the cabin, usually found near the driver's footwell. Give it a firm pull to hear the initial latch disengage. This action partially releases the bonnet, allowing you to proceed to the front of your vehicle for the next step. It's a simple first move to access your engine bay. Once at the front, look for the secondary safety catch, typically located under the center of the bonnet's leading edge. You'll need to either push this catch to the side or lift it upwards. This mechanism is a crucial safety feature, preventing the bonnet from flying open unexpectedly. Once disengaged, the bonnet will be fully released and ready to lift. With the secondary latch released, gently lift the bonnet upwards. Many Land Rover Discovery models use gas struts to hold the bonnet open, while others may have a manual support stay. If it's a manual stay, locate it and securely insert it into the designated slot to keep the bonnet safely elevated. This ensures stability while you work under the hood. To close the bonnet, first disengage the support stay and return it to its resting position, or gently pull the bonnet down if it has gas struts. Lower the bonnet until it's about 12 inches from fully closing. Then, apply firm, even pressure to the center of the bonnet until you hear it click securely into place. Always double-check that it's fully latched before driving. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.